We arrived in the old Zaporozhets to the Chernobyl exclusion zone.
Come on, accelerate it! Come on! Yes, let's go to the city!
We broke the checkpoint and drove into the abandoned city of Pripyat. But there was a problem. We lost our guy Dimon, and no one knows the way except him.
No, comrade.
We need to block it. Wait a second.
The car will stay here until the guards evacuate it from Pripyat.
We must leave now.
Let's take a farewell picture.
Guys, we didn't manage to enter the city without being noticed. Now we urgently need to leave. Besides, we lost Dimon. Dear Zaporozhets, goodbye for now. We drove 70 kilometers on it. Now we're in Pripyat, in the central square near the Ferris wheel, and trying to find out the way.
Alex, do you know where to go next?
I don't know, probably there, but we need to go as quickly as possible. The main thing is not to follow the road we are driving, because they must be looking for us already. If we see a car, we'll just run away.
Alex, no one among us in Pripyat knows anything. We got to be very careful. If we manage to avoid punishment, it will be cool.
On foot?
Yes, how else to get there? Is it far from here?
Yes.
The main thing is not to get caught.
We need to hide somewhere.
We must wait out somewhere in a quiet place, because now they'll start searching Pripyat with dogs and all the patrols that are here.
Yes, we'll need to turn left now. We just did the impossible.
I still can't take it all in. I thought it was just for fun. Seriously. This, of course, was a very cocky stuff.
Now is a very important point. We can walk along the road, it will be faster, but we may be caught there. The second option, we will go in parallel.
Of course, in parallel.
I think it would be safer. Well, these houses bother us a lot. We need to go to the left somehow, because our destination is on the left. Damn, I didn't expect that we'll manage to enter the city. We have completed the mission 100% and haven't yet been caught by the police.
Don't know where this leads to.
Guys, while we are walking here, there are 3 cameras working in Zaporozhets and near it. Check out the video moments which are being recorded there, what is happening around it.
We don't know at all whether someone drove up there or not, but I think something is already happening. Alex, are we going that way?
Yes, there. We have lost our guide and now I'm in charge. I'm leading the guys with a Google map. To be honest, I don't know Pripyat well, but we have to get out of here with all our might, because soon they will start looking for us with the dogs. They will be especially looking for SuperSus. We have literally 5 minutes.
But he disguised himself, he glued on this beard.
Guys, you have no idea how terrifying it is. We're going deep into the forest. We have just left the territory of Pripyat, but we're still close. What is this sound?
High radiation.
I know, and it will get worse. The only way is to endure. The radiation is very high. We walked and walked and look where we reached. What it is, Pripyat greenhouse. Where did we end up?
We must somehow get around it, otherwise we can go 100 kilometers like that.
Yes, you're right. Well, let's go. Just be quiet, guys. This glass is crunching. It was the greenhouse of Pripyat.
Watch the radiation level in this mushroom.
Whoa! There's again some greenhouses, just different ones. This is amazing.
Wow!
We have never been here.
Is there any entity around where the police can be?
Yes, it's there, but a bit far away. We'll have to get around them. I think no one will guess that we took this path, because it's the strangest. Well, do you think they are already looking for us?
I don't know. In fact, there can be a lot of options. Starting with a serious search operation, ending with the fact that no one is looking for us at all, and they took it as a joke. I don't know, but they could even have closed the city altogether. Also, the excursionists have arrived, so possibly a lot of people are walking around our car, taking pictures, wandering, and posting a photo with the red Zaporozhets on their social media accounts. I found another mushroom. Check out the radiation.
Yes, it responds to cesium a bit too.
This mushroom absorbs radiation. They are spongy. Never pick mushrooms in the Kiev region, guys, especially near the exclusion zone.
We found a fluorescent lamp in the greenhouse.
Can you imagine what kind of lamps there were? But of course I won't take it with me and I won't break it. There's mercury inside, so hand over such lamps only at the collection points for such things.
What is that? Is that a cat? Look, it dripped a little.
Due to radiation, probably.
What a drawing. Sus and camera love each other. Well, I didn't expect to see a greenhouse here.
Oh, so you are an imposter man. Your mustache has come off.
Dude, it's radiation here. Some mushrooms have already grown on your beard.
You tell what is this? You're a fake guy.
We still have 5 hours to go.
I know. Alex, the radiation here is 400.
400?
We have been walking for an hour and all the time it's 400.
Damn. Look at this.
Yeah, I saw that red spruce.
We're going to the red forest, right? Guys, it's already 100 micron again. Damn. My mustache is coming off.
Area 51, hold on. Alex will get there too.
We'll get a visit to America and arrange an assault on Area 51. How do you like the idea?
I already have a visa.
So all that remains for me is to get a visa. Everything is fine. This is a military unit. We're going right. Look, guys, what kind of buildings are there? It's raining hard, but we don't care. We're very happy. Wow, look, an old Soviet helmet. Cool. See how the paint cracked on it?
Check the radiation on it.
It should be normal.
There's some worms living inside it.
It's fine.
Well, it seems like no stalkers come here at all.
Look, that thing is from a scooter. Wow, that's a Murray, I think. It was a very powerful scooter at that time. Who remembers them? They were so damn loud. Should I open it? Yes, open it up. Let's see what's in the old refrigerator. Pull it harder. Yeah, I almost opened it. Whoa, ants live there, look.
And some flies.
This is hard stuff. Look how they crushed it down. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I wonder why it was crushed like that. Comment if you know.
This is the first Soviet transformer, like Bumblebee.
Bumblebee in folded state?
Yeah, it hasn't transformed yet.
See how green everything is here. Look at this color, pretty much like Chernobyl itself.
I think this place can be a military base.
This means that the map is showing incorrectly. Is anything there?
There's a path, so all good.
By the way, there is a pit under you.
Maybe there is some kind of tunnel.
Yes, there are secret passages. Why are you climbing like that? Okay, as you want. Comrade, what is that?
Those are crushed cars. Look, it was a Jeguli, Vaz 2101. There's some more, let's go. Come here, guys. Just come and take a look. There are still leather seats left.
Where?
Look, that was a leather cabin.
Well, we hide in an abandoned carriage, guys. We change our clothes a little because it's raining, it's very cold. But for us, it's not a problem. We'll now try to light a small fire. The matchbox is wet and Dima is trying to dry them.
It's an old life hack from TikTok. If the matches get wet, then you need to rub them on your hair. They absorb all the moisture. I've been doing this for half my life.
The matchstick is dry. Try it. Does it work?
The sulfur is wet. That's it. It won't work.
No.
Well, there was a spark. Try it on the door.
There must be some way to light these matches.
Great, finally it worked.
These matches are from the SuperSus shop. They will help you in any situation when you are cold and the weather is so wet. We take a matchstick and light it. You can light it on almost any hard surface and then warm up yourself.
Match has been burning for 3 minutes, the guy's already warming up.
Hold another one. Comrade, don't light a strong fire, otherwise they'll find us by smell.
We'll leave the zone in a few steps. I can't believe we're leaving it without being caught.
And I'm leaving it all wet.
Yes, we were wet, but this time we were not caught. There will be a police road next to the barbed wire, so be careful, guys. We need to move carefully to the other side. There's a barbed fence, we need to go through it.
We're crossing the bar fence. Goodbye, exclusion zone. Goodbye, Zaporozhets.
There's some kind of pit there. Come on, do it fast while there is no one. Be careful, comrade, come on, faster.
Damn, I'm hooked. Finally, well, congratulations to you all. It's time to go now.
Yes, let's leave from here, by zone.
So we lost one fighter, but in general everything turned out well.
Maybe Dimon was even more fortunate because our underpants even worked. We walked 40 kilometers, barely escaping from the police. They say that the whole Pripyat was surrounded. A lot of police came, they were looking for us. They searched the Peter factory, probably were looking for Elon Musk and Alex Kreosan.
I think you enjoyed watching us sitting on the couch with chips, as they say.
Your beard is covered with ice, it's freezing outside.
Can you lick it?
No.
Come on, lick it a bit, please.
No, I won't.
Well, there's an unclear situation now with our surveillance cameras. Will the information from these cameras be in the next video or in this one?
In this one, about 2 hours after we drove into the city, a lot of police and some kind of special forces arrived there. Other stalkers say that the police thought that the car was mined. In some incomprehensible way, they offset our online camera in the Zaporozhets cabin. They may have removed the battery holder, but no one knows how, because I twisted it very tightly. Here are the latest footage from the camera in the car. The camera trap that recorded all the outside activities was also found and removed. They broke all the locks that I put in the Zaporozhets and even took it away from there. Later, some stalkers noticed it at the checkpoint and then at the Chernobyl police station in the same garage where electric scooters and Dresin are resting.
Well, guys, thank you for watching us. Subscribe to the Kreosan channel, also to Comrade's channel. Don't forget to shop from SuperSus shop. You can find some cool matches there. So until next time, as they say.
And we're going to save Dima from the hands of the police. We don't know yet what happened to him there.